Welcome to the video. Today we're diving into a new update in Discord that allows you to filter messages from non-friends. If you've been looking for a way to manage your inbox better, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, open your Discord app. Whether you're using the desktop version or the web app, just launch it as you usually would. Once you're in, take a look for the gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon represents your user settings, so go ahead and click on it to access the various options available to customize your Discord experience. Now that you're in user settings, scroll down the menu on the left until you find Privacy and Safety. Click on that option, and this will open up a new set of privacy-related settings. Here, you'll see several different options related to your account's privacy. To enable the feature that filters direct messages from non-friends, look for the option that says Filter Direct Messages from Non-Friends. Simply check the box next to this option to activate it. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled message filtering from non-friends on Discord. With this new feature, you can enjoy a cleaner and more focused chat experience, as you'll only receive DMs from those on your friends list. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates about Discord and other platforms. Happy chatting.